So this video is a video I'm going to show you how to install an app called WordCloud, and it's one way you can make your Wordle/WordCloud. So you don't have to use this tool, but it is one way you can do that. So if you once you log into your Chromecast account or your Gmail, your mcpsgmail.net account, mcps.net Gmail account, you can click on, once you go to a tab that allows you to go to Google, there should be a button in the upper left hand corner called Apps, APPS, and you can click on that and go to Web Store. And what we're looking for in Web Store is an application called Drive WordCloud. Drive WordCloud. And right now, today anyway, on August 27th, 2016, it's about 1/3 of the way down. May not always be there. And all we're going to do is we're going to add this to Chrome. And then we have to click Add App, Application. And now it appears as one of our available apps. So we can click on this WordCloud app. Now I will tell you there's some ads going on here. You want to make sure you avoid that. All we're going to do, you can either create a file in Google Drive and then upload it, or you can just simply type your text in here. So let's say, for example, what I'm doing is I'm going to type words that have a higher frequency of occurrences that maybe, just talk about who I am. So I'm a huge Baltimore Ravens fan, so if I type them over and over again, that might be, that's going to be a higher occurrence of frequency of that word, so it's going to be a bigger word. I'm also a Baltimore Orioles fan, although they're not playing great baseball right now. Regardless, I'm going to put a couple of those in, and let's say, obviously, I like computers, so I'm going to put a couple of those in. Alright, so you would have to have more than this. You'd have to have whatever I decided to do this year at this moment. And then we're going to click Create WordCloud. Now, I only have 3 words. You would have, of course, more than this. But notice that the words that have a higher frequency are going to be words that are bigger. So click Create WordCloud, and here's my WordCloud. Again, you would have more than this. Now, one of the things you are limited with is you cannot, to my knowledge, I haven't been able to find it yet, where you can change the color and some of the layout. So it is limited, but hey, it's free and it's quick. So you can also change the orientation. You can play around with this. You can change it to rectangular or Archimedean. You can change the angles, different things you can do. But once you're happy with what you have, and if you want to change this, by the way, you can just change it and create WordCloud. It's up to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as an image. You could also save it as a PDF. Either one's fine. I'm going to save it as a PNG, and it generates a PNG. All I have to do now is if I right-click this, right-click it, and I can go to Save Image As, and I can then save it on my H drive. I'm at home right now, but you can save it on your H drive and then upload that to Google Classroom. So this is one way you can create your Wordle/WordCloud.